Good evening. Our top story: an attorney representing an alleged victim confirming his client filed a police report with the Bakersfield Police Department alleging sexual misconduct against Monsignor Craig Harrison.
23 ABC's Emma Lockhart joins us live from BPD headquarters in downtown Bakersfield with more on the allegations and what BPD is saying about the investigation. Emma?
Tim, Jess, I'm just outside BPD headquarters. BPD officials confirming with me that a sexual assault report was filed yesterday. However, they would not say whether or not Harrison is a suspect in the case or is currently being investigated.
So there'd be, jostling around and wrestling on the floor, and then sort of grabbing or feeling your testicles, through your clothing.
Dr. Joseph George, an attorney representing a man alleging sexual misconduct against Monsignor Craig Harrison, detailing the alleged abuse.
Pinning against the wall and sort of grinding.
George telling 23 ABC News they took those allegations to the Bakersfield Police Department, filing a police report Wednesday afternoon. BPD confirming a sexual assault report was filed. However, they would not say if the case involves allegations against Harrison.
It is of nature of a sexual assault investigation. However, at this point, we're not releasing any information involving the victim or the suspect involved in that case.
Officials say this is how sexual assault cases within the department are typically handled.
Our investigation is kept as confidential in nature as possible until we can make sure that everyone, that all the parties involved have a fair chance at having a thorough and complete and unbiased investigation.
According to George, his client was an altar server at St. Francis Catholic Church in Bakersfield and says abuse started when he was 13 or 14 years old between 1989 and 1992. During that time, the alleged victim says he would spend the night at Harrison's rectory. His client says he would sleep on the couch while several of his friends slept on the bed with Harrison. According to George, his client came from a broken home in Bakersfield, and that's what he says drew Harrison to his client.
But he was trying to drive a wedge between me and my family so he could adopt me. And he asked my mother if he could adopt me. And my mother said no.
We did reach out to Father Harrison's attorney, Kyle Humphrey, about the report filed with BPD. He says in part that police will issue report numbers when a person insists on having a report made. He says his client maintains his innocence beyond a shadow of a doubt, and he welcomes a full investigation into the claims. And you can read his full statement on our website, turnto23.com. For now, reporting in downtown Bakersfield, Emma Lockhart, 23 ABC, connecting you.